Hi YouTube, I'm Candace. Welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you today because I promised y'all that I was going to start being serious about YouTube and posting all the time, and you know what? I figure if it epically fucking fails, it won't be anything new in my life. But if it happens to take off, then that's fine. Alright, so the video that I'm bringing you guys today is something that I'm really excited about. It's at-home lip injections, and of course it's not like injecting my own lips, but it is this fabulous little guy right here. This is the Too Faced lip injection, and it's the extreme version. So I'm not going to sit here and talk your fucking head off and make this a 30-minute video when it only takes 15 seconds to apply. So we're going to get right into it, but I am going to read you real quick what this product says that it does. So it says instantly sexy lips. 97% said delivers instant results. 97% said lips feel moisturized, and 93% said lips look fuller and more plump. And this is instant and long-term lip plumper. Lip Injection Extremes breakthrough formula. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to read all that. But basically, short story is, comes in this little package and it claims to give your lips volume and moisturize them. And not only is it instant, but it has long-term effects as well. So I've been using this for about 3 weeks now, daily. I don't use it morning, afternoon, night, all that stuff. I don't know if it recommends 3 times a day or how often. I didn't really read that far into it, but I use it at least once a day, and I love it. So it does have some tingling. Beware about that. If you don't like tingling, this is not the product for you. But it is not super intense. Like when they called it extreme, I thought it was going to be like, I want to cut my fucking lips off. This shit hurts. No, it's not like that. It's just a little tingling, kind of like a cooling effect. And then it goes away after a couple minutes. Maybe like 2-3 minutes it goes away. Package says 5 to 10. I didn't get that. I don't know. Maybe some people react differently. For me, it only tingled the first time I used it, and then it stopped tingling after, and I've never felt it tingle again. But all in all, I think this is a really fabulous product. I really do like it. I don't think it's extreme by any means, but I do think that it does plump and moisturize. So far, this is the best lip plumper that I found, but I do have 2 other ones coming in the mail because I'm kind of like obsessed about being on a journey of finding the best at-home lip plumper. So, this is not recommended, but this is just something personally that I like to do. I like to exfoliate my lips before I use this. And the fabulous thing is that you don't need any product to do it. All you need, dun, 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 is a fucking toothbrush. Okay? So, I'm going to show you all real quickly. Alright, so we're going to wet it. Wet the toothbrush and just real gently brush your lips. Nothing to it. You just brush them like how you brush your teeth. And in case you're wondering, I have a new toothbrush that I exfoliate my lips with, and then a toothbrush that I brush my teeth with. I don't use the same one for both. If you want to, I don't care. I don't judge. Okay. So throughout, you'll just want to rub your lips together. Okay, sometimes you'll feel more over here, sometimes over here, you have a little bit left. So I go over the lips and slightly around. And rinse that. Okay. Now, dry your lips. I try to do that once or twice a day, whether I'm plumping or not, just because it feels really nice to get all that dead skin off your lips. It brings circulation and blood flow back to them, just kind of wakes them up, and it's just a really nice thing. So anyways, let's get into the product now. I'm gonna set you guys up there. All right, so we're gonna take it out of the package. There is a little pamphlet in here. I don't give a shit about what that has to say. I mean, come on, it's fucking lip gloss. How much do you really have to say about a lip gloss? Oh, I never noticed this, but it says Turbo Power Supreme Plumping Lip Gloss. Yeah, I think they built that up a little bit. I don't know if this is really turbo powered, but I think it does work. It does feel really soft, and it kind of has like this sheen shimmer in it. No, it doesn't want to show up. Okay. All right. Here's my lips. And you apply it just like a gloss. I like to go a little bit outside the lips. Close my blinds a little bit. There you go. That's what you guys can see now. Put a real thick layer on there. So it's pretty clear. It has a little bit of a sheen to it, but not too much. So it takes about a minute to 2 minutes, I feel, to really, from start to finish, for the lip gloss to start to plump and tingle and do all of that. So yeah, so that's it. I mean, there's not too much to say about it. I am going to put a before and after picture in here somewhere at the end. That way you guys see exactly how much it's plumped and changed. The after picture that I'm going to put is after I've had the lip gloss on for 5 minutes. So that way you can see the full effect, full round, all the working, the actual difference that it made. But it is, if I had to say something better, I would say that it is really good. It is really moisturizing. It doesn't hurt at all. It just tingles slightly. They do look fuller and more plump, so I am happy with that. I don't think that is extreme by any means, but it is a decent lip plumper. So I recommend, if you guys want to try it, buy the travel size first. It's $14 for the travel size, like almost $16 with tax. But buy the travel size first. That way you can kind of test it out and see if you like it. And yeah, you can get at Ulta, Sephora, online. I wouldn't recommend Amazon or eBay or anything because you just never really know if it's lip gloss or if it's snake semen. So, yeah, there we go. All right, well, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I didn't bore you guys to fucking death. I'm going to try to keep a video every day going, so I will see you guys soon in my next video. And of course, please like and subscribe. If you subscribe, leave a comment under this video letting me know that you did subscribe, and I will return the favor and subscribe back to your channel.